welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I have recreated Sara Ali Khan's makeup look. In this video I'll be showing you guys that how I create this look because this look is very neutral and very natural at the same time, and it will look very stunning. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. Also watch the video till the end, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, let's begin. So guys, I have prepped my skin very nicely, and the first thing we are going to use is a primer. And for the primer I am going to use PAC Cosmetics Zero Pore Separation Cream. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take primer and just apply near the nose area, on both the cheek and on the nose. So I'm just going to pat the primer in. Whatever is remaining on the hand, I'm just going to apply on the forehead and near the chin area. So guys, we have applied the primer, and as you guys can see in the picture that her makeup is super natural and super flawless. It has got some shine on the face, so the makeup is dewy, it is not matte. And we are going to do the same thing. We are going to apply a dewy foundation, and for the foundation I am going to take PAC's Liquid HD foundation. I am in the shade 3.0. So what I'm going to do is I just took this much amount of the foundation, and now with the help of a beauty blender I'm just going to apply all over my face to give that very nice and dewy look. So guys, you have to just dab and dab, because you will get a very nice dewy and natural finish look. I feel that when you are going with a dewy and natural looking base, so you just take a beauty blender, so in that way you will get a very nice and decent coverage. Also I'll be applying on the eyelids, so we get a base for that very nice kohl and eyeshadow. So guys, I am done with the foundation, and I just need a little bit of concealing near the under eye area. So I'm going to use Elegance Pro Conceal Concealer. Her base and the under eye area is really very natural, so I am also keeping that way. Similarly, I'm just going to conceal a little bit, that's it. So I'm just using the same beauty blender, and I am just dabbing the under eye area, and I'm just moving my head, and you guys can see the difference, right? Same way I'll be doing on the another eye, just dabbing. Guys, after that a little bit of concealer, we are just going to set the whole face. We are not going to bake the under eye area, as the look is totally natural. So I'm just going to lock the face with the help of a compact powder. So I'm going to take PAC Cosmetics Studio Compact Powder. Guys, with the help of the brush I'm just going to take and dab the excess, and I'm just going to apply very lightly. Guys, I'm not swirling the brush, I am just patting it. And guys, this is the base, and you guys can see it is looking very natural and flawless. So guys, now the base is set, and we are moving directly with the blush, because Sara has not applied any contouring or bronzing on her face, as we can see in the picture. So same way we are moving on the blush, and we are just going to apply on the cheek area where she has done, because her cheeks are looking super blushy and super natural. So we are going to do the same way, and for the blush I am going to use L'Oreal's lip paint. This is a very nice color, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some on the back of my hand. That's it. And with the help of a beauty blender, I am just going to apply on the cheek. So starting, we are going to apply directly on the apples of the cheeks, and then we'll just blend it towards the backward. Wow, and you guys can see same way we are going to apply on the another cheek. So guys, the face makeup is done and we are moving with the eye makeup, and for the eye makeup we are going with the eyebrows. And on the picture we guys can see her brows are super thick, but it is looking natural at the same time. So the same way we are going to do the brows, and I'm just going to comb my brows with the spoolie. And for filling the brow, we are going to take L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. So you guys can take any brow pencil or brow pomade or brow powder, whichever you guys are having currently with you. I am just going to take the Brow Artist because it suits well for me and I always use that. So yeah, I'm just combing my brow hair in the upward direction. And now with an angular brush, I'm just going to fill the brows. That's it. I am just going to do in the natural way possibly. So guys, I'm moving with my hair direction. Guys, you just need to fill the sparse area which you guys can see in your brows, and that's it. In that way you will get a natural brow. I have very less hair at the starting of the brow, so I'm just filling in. So same way we are just going to fill the another brow. I'll just comb the hair and give it a nice shape. Guys, we're done with the brows and now we are doing eyeshadow. And for the eyeshadow, we guys can see her eyes is very intense. She has applied a lots of kohl on her eyes and mascara. So for the kohl, I'm going to take Kay Beauty's 24 Hours Kajal. And what we're going to do is we are just going to tightline the upper and the lower waterline first. So guys, now what we are going to do, we are just going to smudge the black kohl which we have applied on the both the waterlines. So I'm just smudging it with a small pencil brush. You guys can take any brush which you have, and yes, we have just smudged the kajal, and now we guys can see that she has a pink eyeshadow or pink tint going on her waterline and the upper lid of the eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the same L'Oreal lip tint which we have applied on the cheeks. So I am just going to take some on the back of my hand, and now with a brush I'm just going to apply on the lower waterline. Same way we are going to do on the upper lid also. Guys, you have to keep your hand very light and you have to just blend it very softly. You don't have to take till the crease, you just have to blend where you have just smudged the kajal. Same way I'll be doing on my another eye. So guys, I have just blended the kohl and the lip tint very nicely, and you guys can see it is looking super nice and natural. And in the picture we guys can also see her lashes are super voluminous and her lashes are super lengthful. So we are going to do the same way, and firstly what I'm going to do is taking a curler, I'm just going to curl my lashes. Guys, please be very patient and gentle with the curler and just leave it for 10 to 15 seconds. And you guys can see the difference. Same way I'm going to do on the another lashes. And for the mascara, we are going to take the most trusted mascara, Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going generous with the mascara because her lashes are super thick and we have to do the same way. So it is looking very nice. You guys just have to apply it properly. Same way we are going to apply on the lower lash line. So guys, the eyes is done, and now we are moving with the last step, which is a lipstick. Guys, she has applied a very light pink lipstick which matches her look. So same way we are going to do the same thing. We are just going to apply a pink lipstick, and for the pink lipstick I'm going to take my trusted lipstick, which is from Sugar Cosmetics. It is in their shade Blush Rush 15. So guys, I'm not directly applying the lipstick on my lips. What I'm going to do is I am just going to take on the back of my hand, and then later on I'm just going to apply it with my ring finger. Guys, I can see a little bit of shine on her lips, so that what I'm going to do is I just going to apply Laneige lip balm on my lips, and I'm just going to take a little bit to give that very nice and very beautiful shine. And yeah, that's it. yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. There are many more similar videos in my channel, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.